how to set up your Samsung Galaxy S26 or the S26 Ultra for the first time quickly. First, press and hold on the side button here to power on the device. So press and hold. Wait until you see the logo appear, the Samsung logo appear, then let go of the button. Now, if you haven't already done so, you can insert a SIM card while the phone is powering up, or you can do it before turning on the phone. So here, using a pin, and you want to put in a SIM card. So insert the SIM card, and then we'll go ahead and set up the phone. You can put in the SIM card at any stage, so it doesn't need to be before setting up the phone. Okay, once you see the welcome screen, tap on the drop down to select your region, and then tap on OK. Then tap on the start button. Here you can choose what you want to agree to. I will deselect setting diagnostic data and then tap on agree. Next, in here you can choose to transfer the data over from an Android device, iPhone or iPad, or set up manually. I will choose set up manually so that I can set up this device quickly. You can always transfer the data over later on. Okay, so here it asks you to select to a Wi-Fi network. So select on your Wi-Fi network and put in your Wi-Fi password. Tap on the connect button once you put in the password and allow the phone to connect to Wi-Fi. Then tap on next. Here's a service provider setup. Checking service provider. Here it says your phone needs to restart to set up. So tap on the restart button. Okay, now it's getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Here is a copy apps and data. So if you want, you can tap on the next button to copy apps and data. I will select don't copy. Okay, here you have the chance to sign into your Google account. Essentially, you need to use to sign into Google to use a lot of the services. So go ahead and sign into Google account. If you don't have an account, you can create an account right now. Now, if you don't want to sign in now, you can tap on the skip button, then tap on skip. We can always sign in later on. Then here you can choose to protect your phone with a PIN, password, fingerprint, face recognition, or pattern, or skip. So I'll tap on skip for now, and then tap on skip anyway. Now tap on the down button, then tap on the down button, and tap on accept. Now all of this later on you can always go back into settings and sign into your Google account or Samsung account. Again, here you can sign into Samsung account to use a lot of the services. You can sign in with email or phone number, or sign in with a QR code, or you can tap on forgot password or don't have an account. And here I will select set up later in settings. Again, later on you can set up from settings. Tap on the down button and then I'll tap on skip, then tap on down and tap on agree. Here you can choose between dark theme or light theme and tap on next. So in this video, I just want to show you how you can quickly set up and get to the home screen as soon as possible. If you want to sign into the account and perform all other actions, it will take a lot longer to set up your device. Here it said recommended apps, which of the apps you want to use and update. So all of these are selected, so I'll leave it as the default and tap on next. And so here you are all set up, so you can tap on see what's new or tap on the home button to go directly to your home screen. And this is the default home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now if you want to sign into your Samsung account, you can go into settings And then from here, you can tap on sign in to sign into your Samsung account. If you go down to accounts and backup, in here, tap on manage accounts, then tap on add account. And from here, you can sign into your Google account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.